The city of Minneapolis is one of the coldest places in the US. Winter there usually lasts a long time. Even in winter, the area sometimes has warmer weather, and that means less snow. Most people really like the warmer weather, but Dan Radicke doesn't like it at all. He needs snow for his business. Radicke owns the Wild Mountain Ski Area in Taylors Falls, Minnesota. He usually tries to have the ski area completely open by Thanksgiving, which is in November. But sometimes warm weather and a shortage of natural snow can cause problems. When this happens, Radicke can't open until late December. When nature doesn't make snow, Radicke does. No, it's not magic. Radicke owns the largest snowmaking system in the area.
Without snowmaking, we could probably never open, especially in a year like this. The fields are still brown.
Snow has always been a very important part of Radicke's life. His family bought Wild Mountain 28 years ago. Since that time, he's spent nearly every day on the mountain. Radicke has also studied mechanical engineering, so he really understands snowmaking machines.
The best machine-made snow ever. Look how great that snow is.
Snowmaking is a science, but it's also an art. The person making the snow has to carefully watch the water, the air temperature, and the wind direction.
And if there's wind, it'll actually blow it around and allow it to freeze before it hits the ground. That's why the snow guns are always high in the air.
There are good things about both real snow and man-made snow. Real snow is drier, softer, and of better quality for skiing, but man-made snow lasts longer when there are a lot of people skiing. Because Radicke depends on snow for his business, he has some of the best snowmaking technology around. His newest machines are tall, thin poles called water sticks. They are able to produce a lot of snow very quickly.
You make very soft snow, and it's almost as good as snow from the sky. And in one night, we can cover this entire trail. They're great.
Water sticks are always on half of the Wild Mountain pistes. On the other trails, there are the very big snow guns. Radicke then talks about the building that houses the pumps for making snow.
This is the nerve center of the snowmaking system.
He then explains that it takes good timing to decide which pistes need snow and which ones don't. The 6 pumps in the building control the water that goes through all the pipes. When the water is turned off, Dave Lindgren, the mountain manager, quickly removes the water from the pipes before it freezes. If a pipe freezes, it's useless for the rest of the winter. And, like the skiers on the hills, Lindgren has to be very careful too. Snowmaking needs a lot of water.
This is where we get all our water.
He is talking about the reservoir on top of the mountain. The reservoir provides 3,000 gallons of water per minute for the system. Radicke often spends all day and most of the night checking the snowmaking system.
When we check the snow, we want it like a good snowball. And you can see it's just a little bit wet. And so we'll go to the gun and turn down the water.
The process requires a lot of care. If there's too much water, the snow gets soft. If there's too little water, the snow doesn't stay on the ground long enough. To prepare for the next day, Radicke operates the snow machines all night. In the morning, the pistes will be covered with fresh new snow. So with good weather and a little snow magic, Radicke should be able to keep his skiers happy all winter long.